Is your hot water tank leaking? Call Water Out Now first. We will extract the water fast and dry and clean any affected content. We even offer 24/7 emergency service. We are local and understand the Columbus area. We accept all insurance companies, so give us a call now. Stop dangerous mold from hurting you and your family. At Water Out Now, we know water can be very frustrating. We want to help. Give us a call anytime 24/7 at 844-420-6881. Don't let another minute go by. Water damage can be devastating. Let's get started now. Call 844-420-6881.